We're here to find measure heart rate, and this is for the Poco X7 Pro phone here with Android 15 Hyper OS 2. When you're ready to do this, go ahead and use a quick access and tap on the settings toggle right here. This is the best way to go about finding the heart rate feature if it's your first time searching for it. And use the search settings right here as the fastest way. Type in the words heart rate. And as you type that in, you're going to see those suggestions show up, and one of them would be this here. It is part of the additional settings area, so go ahead and check that out if you don't see it as a suggestion. And once you tap on it, it's going to take you straight here. And as you see it, you'll press start to get started. And of course, you're going to have to give it permission, so allow it. And basically, it's just going to use your fingerprint sensor right there. You don't need to have your password security set up already. And as a demonstration, I'll go ahead and do that. And you just have to keep your finger on, wait for the countdown that's shown up here to the top. It's going to say 15 seconds, and you just got to keep it there like that. And it's not the most accurate one, but it just kind of gives you an idea of what's going on with your heart rate at the moment, okay? So at least you know you're not beating too fast or too slow. And that's that. So that's your results there. So for me, that's pretty good, I guess. And hey, other than that, ladies and gentlemen, if this guide helped you in any way or you learned something new about your Poco X7 Pro phone here, like and sub.